Okay, this video is for the guys on the GM Squarebody forum to say thank you, because I have posted a thread, and I'll put it in the section below, about which alternator to get. Somebody recommended this one, and I did have to swap the pulley. That's the pulley that came on it. It's a 6-rib pulley, and my truck is a 5-rib truck. So I went and got that. It is installed, and I hooked it up in the exact same way I hooked up my old one. And this is a brand new Deka battery. I got it at Batteries Plus. It says Duracell on it. It's Deka, confirmed. And at idle, we've got 14.38 volts. So problem solved. Beautiful 140 amp alternator. And tomorrow, this 10 gauge cable is getting replaced with a 1/0 gauge cable. And then I'll be doing the big 3 with 1/0 gauge. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the great advice and the help. And we'll see you later.